Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Miko and I am going to talk all about this hair. I went all the way from my little TWA taper cut to this big bold hair in probably like an hour. This is called Jamaican Braid and it is in the color TT1B27. Hair is very soft. Actually, I really like this hair. It's very fluffy, and when I kind of comb it out, it gives me that that picked out afro look that I love. I did the install myself using a crochet needle. Just my standard crochet needle, and I use the invisible knot method. So as you can see, sorry, this is like parted and cut weird. I'm not a professional stylist, so when I cut my hair, it's kind of like, you know, I do what I can. But look, it looks very natural. Stay tuned for the rest of this tutorial. I'll show you step by step of how I install this hair. And I use 3 packs of hair, by the way. Each pack was about $6.99 at my beauty supply store, so it was fairly cheap. This is Bobbi Boss Jamaican Braid, just to recap.
Jet planes in the night sky with you, getting high in the sunrise with you, getting through all the bad times with you. I wasn't missing a thing, no I do. And I wish that I could build a time machine, 'cause time moves on, and now you're gone. Oh, if only I could build a time machine, I'd come and get you. I can't forget you. I miss you, I miss you, I miss you all the time. I wish that you were mine. I miss you, I miss you, I miss you all the time. I wish that you were mine. Doing this for? Lying here on my bedroom floor, finding peace in the memories of you. I wasn't missing a thing, no I do. And I wish that I could build a time machine, 'cause time moves on, and now you're gone. Oh, if only I could build a time machine, I'd come and get you. I can't forget you. I miss you, I miss you, I miss you all the time. I wish that you were mine. I miss you, I miss you, I miss you all the time. I wish that you were mine.
you guys subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be doing many more videos, of course. I also want to start doing some styling videos for you guys. Will, of course, be more hair tutorials. If you guys want to know how I style my tapered TWA, let me know. Like this video if it's helpful for you.